Building a side hustle that generates $5,000 per month didn't happen overnight. It took strategic planning, consistent effort, and a willingness to learn. Here's the exact process I followed to transform my idea into a sustainable income stream, and how you can do the same. Step 1. Discover your niche. The first step was identifying a high-demand niche that aligned with my skills. I noticed small businesses often struggled with content marketing but couldn't afford full-time help. This gap became my focus. Pro tip: find a niche that solves a real problem. Use platforms like Google Trends, Reddit, or LinkedIn to research market demand and validate your ideas. Step 2. Start small and build a portfolio. I began by offering services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, taking smaller gigs at first to establish credibility. These initial projects allowed me to build a portfolio, gain testimonials, and understand what clients truly needed. Pro tip: offer introductory pricing to get your foot in the door, but don't undervalue your work. Deliver more value than expected to create loyal clients. Step 3. Market your services. Once I had satisfied clients and some experience, I focused on promoting my services. I created a professional LinkedIn profile, shared valuable insights related to my niche, and joined networking events. I also reached out directly to small businesses with a personalized pitch. Pro tip: use social media and free tools like Canva to showcase your expertise and create a consistent online presence. Step 4. Expand and diversify. To scale my income, I diversified my offerings. While I started with content writing, I added social media management, email marketing, and SEO consulting. Diversification helped me attract more clients and increase my revenue. Pro tip: listen to your clients' needs. If they request related services, consider offering them or partnering with other freelancers to fulfill those needs. Step 5. Automate and outsource. When the workload became too much to handle alone, I began outsourcing repetitive tasks. I hired virtual assistants to handle administrative work and junior freelancers for smaller projects. This allowed me to focus on securing higher-paying clients and refining my strategies. Pro tip: invest in automation tools like Trello for project management or Hootsuite for social media scheduling to save time and boost efficiency. Step 6. Scale consistently. Consistency was key. I prioritized excellent communication and on-time delivery, which led to repeat business and referrals. I reinvested a portion of my earnings into improving my skills and marketing efforts, ensuring steady growth. Pro tip: ask for reviews and referrals from happy clients. They're a powerful way to grow your business organically. The results: after months of consistent effort, my side hustle now earns $5,000 per month. It's given me financial freedom and the flexibility to work on my own terms. Your action plan: 1. Identify a niche that aligns with your skills and market demand. 2. Start small, test your idea, and build your portfolio. 3. Market yourself effectively and diversify your offerings. 4. Scale by automating tasks and outsourcing where needed. With dedication and a clear strategy, you can create a side hustle that not only supplements your income but eventually becomes a primary source of financial independence. Start today, you've got this.